Just upgrading to iOS 18 and loving the new look? Wondering where to find those fresh wallpapers everyone's talking about? This quick guide will show how to access the new iOS 18 wallpapers on your iPhone so easily. So without any delay, let's jump into the main video. At first, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a little bit, then tap on Wallpaper. After that, tap on Add New Wallpaper. Now keep scrolling down until you find the list named iOS 18. Once you find it, choose the one you like the most. Then tap on Add from the upper right corner. And finally, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. There you go, you found the new iOS 18 wallpapers. Now go personalize your iPhone and enjoy the fresh look. If you found this helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up. You can share your concerns in the comments below and stay with us. Thank you for watching.